Students, now let us solve practice set 7.1, which is based on this formula. First question. Find the volume of a cone if the radius of its base is 1.5 centimeter and its perpendicular height is 5 centimeter. Okay, so here the radius of cone is given. That means R is equal to 1.5 centimeter and perpendicular height is denoted as H. H is equal to 5 centimeter and you have to find volume of cone. So which formula you will use here? Volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square H. Here substitute value of pi 22/7, radius 1.5 and height 5 centimeter. Okay, and calculate the answer. Second question. Find the volume of a sphere of diameter 6 centimeter. Diameter of sphere is given 6 centimeter, means D is equal to 6. So radius will be 3 centimeter. 6 divided by 2. And you have to find volume of sphere. So volume of sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. So this pi you can substitute 3.414 and radius is 3 centimeter. Okay. Next question. Find the total surface area of cylinder if the radius of its base is 5 centimeter, means this value is R, and height is 40 centimeter. H is equal to 40 centimeter. So you have to find total surface area of cylinder. So formula for total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into bracket r plus h. Okay. Okay, so here r and h is given 5 and 40 and substitute values and get the answer. Next. Find the surface area of sphere of radius 7 centimeter. Surface area of sphere is equal to formula surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. So r is given 7 centimeter and value of pi you know. So these 4 questions you have to solve. Now let us solve question number 5. Okay. The dimensions of a cuboid are 44 centimeter, 21 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So these dimensions are length, breadth, height. It is melted and a cone of height 24 centimeter is made. Find the radius of its base. Okay, so students, read the question properly. In this question we have 2 figures, cuboid and cone. Okay, so let us first write dimensions. Practice set 7.1. Question number 5. First, write down dimensions for cuboid. For cuboid. For cuboid, length is given, L is given 44 centimeter, breadth B is 21 centimeter, and height h is 12 centimeter. And here write the dimensions for cone. Height of the cone is given. See, as we explained the formula, cone is having two heights. One is perpendicular height and the other is slant height. So only height is mentioned in the question, that is considered as perpendicular height h, which is 24 centimeter. And what we have to find out? Radius. Radius we have to find out. Okay. Now student, here cuboid is melted and from that cone is formed. So such type of question is related to volume of both the shapes. Okay. So let us find out the volume. Volume of cuboid. So formula for volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So 44 into 21 into 12 centimeter cube. So keep the answer this much only, no need to calculate the answer. Then we will find volume of cone. Formula for volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3, value of pi is 22/7. Radius we have to find out. So keep r square as it is, and height of cone is given 24. So this you can simplify. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So here we have 22 into 8 into r square upon 7 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of cone. Now here in question it is given cuboid is melted and a cone is formed. Cuboid is melted and cone is made. That means volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cone. Okay. So volume of cuboid we calculated 44 into 21 into 12 equal to volume of cone is 22 into 8 into r square upon 7. Okay. Now we have to find out value of this r square. So therefore r square is equal to this 7 first we have to take here. 44 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 7 upon 22 into 8 into 8. Now let us divide this. First 22 ones are and 22 twos are. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Then 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So here we got r square is equal to 21 multiplied by 3 sevens are 21, and therefore r is equal to 21 centimeters. 21 into 21, that means 21 square. If you take out its square root, you will get 21. And then you have to write answer. Therefore, the question is find the radius of its base. Its means cone. So therefore radius of base of a cone is 21 centimeter. So this is the answer.